Welcome back. Rama Kalangudkar was allegedly beaten to death by locals at Karaswada in Mapsa. It is suspected that he was caught on the roof of the house, allegedly attempting a robbery in the wee hours of Saturday. Here is a report.
Rama Kalangudkar, a resident of Karaswada in Mapsa, was allegedly murdered by a local, Chandrakant Harmalkar, and other people. It is reported that Rama was found on the roof of the house of Chandrakant on Saturday at about 1 am. He was making an attempt to enter the house from the rooftop. The members of the house got Rama down and assaulted him. They later on called the police and Rama was shifted to Azilo Hospital for treatment. He breathed his last in the hospital. PI of Mapsa, Rajesh Kumar, said Rama was an ex-convict in property offences. Further investigation in the case is in progress.
Rama Kalangudkar, age about 35 years, who was an ex-convict in property offences, was assaulted by the public at Karaswada, who suspected him to be a thief. He was handed over to the police, and as he was injured, he was referred to Azilo Hospital for medical. And during treatment at Azilo, he expired. The mother of the deceased has lodged a complaint against the owner of the house and other members of the public for having assaulted her son Rama. Offence has been registered under section 302 Red with 34 of our IPC, and further investigation is in progress.
Our reporter in Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
The crow is known for its color. Everybody knows that the crow is black. Friends normally use a phrase to express their friendship and love when the crow turns white. Well, don't know why I'm saying it? Because the phrase when the crow turns white has indeed come true. Don't believe? Then have a look at this. This is the first white crow reported in the state.
This is the white crow found at Ibrampur in Pedne. It is also known as albino crow. Look at it closely. Don't be under impression that it has used some fairness cream. Jokes apart, environmentalists say such species of crows do exist, but this is the first crow reported in Goa. Rajendra Kerkar has reasoned out as why very few species of such rare crows are found in the world.
हो कावळो गोंयान अशा प्रकारचो पयलींच नोंद जाल्ली आसा आनी ही जी प्रजाती आसा ही प्रजाती एक वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण प्रजाती आसा आनी जवळ जवळ ह्या कावळ्याक 1.5 ते 2 महिन्याचो कालखंड आसतालो कारण जन्म जावन कावळो जो आसा तो 1 महिन्याच्या अवधीन तो उडपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी हो जो कावळो आसा हो ल्हान कावळो आसा आनी जेन्ना कावळ्याच्या लक्षात येता की हो आपल्या परस वेगळ्या रंगाचो आसा किंवा वेगळ्या पद्धतीचो आसा तेन्ना बाकीचे कावळे तेचेर झपय मारतात तेका त्रास करतात.
Thanks to nature lovers who rescue such species and hand it over to Forest Department. Mashe Gauss is one of them who rescued this crow.
तर पण धाकट्या चेड्यान म्हाका म्हटलं पप्पा थंय कावळो येयला व्हायट कावळो. तर तेणी ते मोबायलाचेर आपले फोटो बिटो तेचे घेतले आनी पळयले मी आनी मागीर अमृत सिंगाक फोन केला आनी केरकर सरांक फोन केलो. तर ते म्हणाले मेळटा जाल्यार धरून दवरा नातर कॅमेरान तिचो फोटो तरी काडून दवरा मेळना जाल्यार. मागीर आमी ट्राय केली मेळटा जाल्यार धरपाक. तर थंय आमी खुर्ची बिर्ची घेतली 2-3 जाण आमी सायडीक रावले आनी तो धरलो.
Our reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Underground power cable laying work has been commissioned on Lutali and Kamuli. Overhead high-tension wires will soon disappear after the completion of this project. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath commissioned it on the birthday of local MLA and Power Minister Alex Sekera.
Panji and Madgaon have already been covered under underground power cabling project. There are also proposals for laying underground cables in coastal belts of the state. But for the villages of Lotli and Kamulli, Saturday turned to be a very important. State government commissioned first phase of underground cabling in the areas of Lotli and Kamulli. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Lotli MLA Alesh Sikwera did the honors of commissioning of 11 kV high tension underground cabling work. The cost of the project is around 40 crores. Saturday was also the birthday of Lotli MLA and Power Minister Alesh Sikwera. Underground power cables improve electricity distribution to a great extent. Power failures due to tree falling, failures of insulators get reduced to a significant extent. Underground cables also helps to avoid power thefts. Government has plans to introduce the underground cables to other villages in the state. A bureau report, Prudent Media.
Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Dr. Shripad Khedekar launched his fourth chain of homeopathic clinic in Madgaon on Saturday. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath inaugurated the clinic. He has two clinics, one in Mumbai and another one in Yugoslavia. He says it is very natural and pure form of medicine with no side effect. The reason behind launching it in Goa is that patient had to go to Mumbai for treatment. He claims homeopathy can cure incurable diseases. Directorate of Fire and Emergency Service of Pedne organized a drawing competition on Saturday. Many students participated in this competition. Children through their drawings gave messages on various measures of safety. Ummid, a daycare center by Department of Social Welfare, Government of Goa, was inaugurated by Minister for Social Welfare Sudhin Thavikar. TV MLA Nilkant Harankar, Moira Sarpanch Raghuveer Bakkar, ZP member Kunda Bakkar and others were present at the inaugural. This house will have activities for old age people. Dhaurikar distributed checks of Rs 5,000 to the vegetable farmers. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.